This is a before view of the wicks and the new growth. Right now you can see that the parts is invisible. There's a lot of hairs that need to be pulled back in. What you need for this project is a crochet needle, rubber bands, and a brush. Please make a note that once you start to get into a rhythm of crocheting the hair back into place, you can stick yourself or you can stick your client. So be mindful of how you are doing it and make sure that you are crocheting away from the scalp and not towards the scalp. Here is where I brush the hairs up into the section and using the rubber band to secure the hairs in place. After the hair has been resectioned and all the hairs are now back into the wicks, I then remove the rubber bands, leaving the wicks at a standstill.